moron, I'm videoing it.
No, I want to video it.
Get a bit of wood on it.
Move.
Hang on, I'm going to you.
Alright.
You're hungry.
Way, that's an apple, man.
Your video is fire.
Yeah.
Look at that. I'll fix it in a week.
You just see that there's, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put that on YouTube. This,
Oh, no, record this. Come on there, video.
It's not on it. This. Move. This. Your legs, this.
So long.
Yeah.
Facebook.
Yeah. Dad, move. Oh, stop it. Get in.
He just what? He just...
Oh, I'm doing it, big boy.
I'm on TV.
Robert!
Was there anything in it?
Yes.
Oh dear.
No, you're not going out, Mum.
You haven't set fire yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly why I'm not letting you out. I'm your mother.
They can still fight though. Yeah.
Cam's actually lit now, what's he?
Yeah.
Oh damn, he's lighting now.
Look at it. Oh, he ain't popped out inside.
Can't wait.
You sound like Kelly starts walking back. Boom!
Yeah, too much food. I want to turn on kaboom.
It's gone already. Done.
Let's just still getting into my food.
Paul, if it does. Paul, move.
It's a bit warm.
When's it going to set on fire? When's it going to go boom?
It's not.
Good.
It's already gone.
Did it?
If it goes boom, I am going to, like, crap myself.
I've been wearing then. Laughing at you. You're going, yeah. But that's an effort to get rid of all your clothes. It takes 2 minutes. Don't get hair so limp like that and your pubes and
Why? Yeah. Why?
I just thought on Josh Mendy's profile and that was remind me.
Yeah, Kelly, you could have that. You don't know that. I didn't mean you, Kelly. Stannis, move. Why are you filming it? Because I like filming it. Paranoid. Claudia licks lemons. No, I don't.
That's what you're so face
Says you. You're right, Simon.
Someone's strong enough anymore. Why is this year? No, I've not grown up. I think quite.